What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we're taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, as we all can see right here, Bitcoin is did very well. It's kind of recovered a lot yesterday. Now, if we are to ask, okay, why did Bitcoin recover? Why didn't we go to the mid 90s or low 90s yesterday? We could see that based on the news yesterday, we got into some form of de-escalation in a way. So we could get I think this was 7 hours ago. You could see Bahrain says it has shut down airspace temporarily amid fear of retaliation by Iran against US attacks. So okay, 7 hours ago also the US stocks move higher. S&P 500 was up 0.6%. Nasdaq was up 0.7%. Dow up 0.5%. So the WTI crude oil falls 6% to $69.50 as of that time, per barrel, lowest level in a week. Trump administration was aware of in advance of Iran's attack on Al Udeid air base Axios. So and compared to now, the news as of now, as well can see, as you could see here, right here, 10 hours ago, the Fed decision in July, I think that is July 30th, I guess. You could see right here, Fed maintaining rate at maintains rate 78%. We can see that that's around 75%, and Fed cutting rate is 25%, and Fed not cutting rate, or yes, not cutting rate greater than 2% is actually 0%. So this is kind of bad news in a way, because the chances of Fed's cutting rate right now is really low. Now, speaking of recent news or recent development regarding this war between Israel and Iran, we could see that the senior Iranian official confirmed Tehran agreed to U.S. proposed ceasefire with Israel, which is some form of de-escalation coming in right now. And senior Iranian official confirmed the Reuters Tehran agreeing to Qatar mediated U.S. proposed ceasefire with Israel. So you could see it right here that things, some form of the escalation. Good news is beginning to creep in. Trump, perhaps Iran can now proceed to peace and harmony in region. We could see right here that Trump, congratulations world, it's time for peace. 79% of Americans worry Iran may target US civilians. Reuters IPSOS poll finds. So Trump approval falls to 41%, lowest of current term. So Reuters IPSOS poll finds. So this was just basically the news. Senior Iranian official, if they seek negotiation, Israel and US attack must stop. So that's basically the news right now. So the news right now is heading towards the de-escalation route. So now, as you could see right here, I was kind of wrong, I guess, in a way. No, I wouldn't say I was totally wrong, because if we go to the 4 hours time frame, we could see right here that if we had broken below this support right here at 102,000, and as we broke below it, we went as low as 98,000. If we had found a kind of if it was difficult for us to break above this resistance of $102,000, and we got another red candle here, there is every chance for us to drop really down low as 95,700, than us going up. So you could see that all the way from this 102,000, we went all the way to into $105,000. Now we went this high. Now the question is there any possibility for us to drop down? Yes, there's every possibility for us to drop down and find support at 102,100. So we should be expecting that probably before at the end of the day, it all falls down to the fundamentals. Right now, we shouldn't be saying, okay, from 105,000 we should be heading towards 110,000. No, there will be a lot of back and forth, and when there's a lot of back and forth, there'll be a lot of volatility going on, and this volatility going on will definitely make BTC find support at either $102,000, yes, or worst case scenario we drop down. So it's either we drop down, then we continue rallying higher. It's either this. No, let me take this away from here. It's either we get a move like this, but for now I would say a form of correction, a form of retracement is expected for us to drop down, and I'm expecting 102,000 to hold very, very well. So if 102,000 doesn't hold very well, there's every possibility for us to break down once more below this support, find retest, and we probably drop down here to back to $95,000. And from the other chart, as we could see right here, that if I move to the daily, first things foremost, we could see that we are able to reclaim this support level right here. We were actually able to reclaim it. So maybe I should drop something like this here as a form of support, because to me it seems like this has become a support for us right now. Because right now there is a form of respect towards this level right here. So I think I'll have to delete this. So now we could see that this is some form of support, because from this level all the way down here is a support for us right here. So now moving forward, we have to make sure that we stay above 100,000. Yes, on this particular chart we have to stay above 102,000 to $100,000. So if we are going to go up, there's every possibility that, let me take this away from here just for us to properly understand this. Sorry about that. If we're going to go up right now, there's every possibility for us to still drop down to 102,000, find support, then we could continue consolidating within this triangle right here until we are able to break above whatever resistance we need to break or whatever support we need to break. And if we are to drop down from here, there's every possibility that if we are dropping down from here, we should expect to fall below $100,000. Find probably a retest here. We get a retest, probably get another retest around this support level, then we can drop as low as probably 92,000. Like I said, in the low 90s or in the mid 90s, somewhere within that range is going to be the next area we'll be finding support, especially given the fact that on the daily time frame, the EMA, the 200 EMA on the daily is definitely pointing at $93,000, and the 100 EMA on the daily is what we actually broke below as of the weekend. We broke below that, but we kind of recovered. Hopefully we could find support on that 100 EMA. So yeah, that is just it for now. In as much as there's the escalation coming in, I think we are definitely good to go, guys. We are definitely good to go. So without wasting much of your time, subscribe if you did enjoy this video, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful week, and also yeah, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.